Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do fake bruising. This is purely for cosplay. Let's keep it for that too. So first, going with yellow, I'm using this palette. I'm using this beautiful yellow right here. And this is going to kind of be like the outline of a bruise. Like should be on the furthest edge of the bruise, okay? So we'll put one there. We'll put one right here. This is kind of like the undertone. Do you get my gist? Because what does an aged bruise look like? It looks a little yellow. We'll even do a little bit right here. Lovely. Okay, now we're gonna find a nice green. So for the green, we're gonna use this Morph palette, and I'm using the Nocturnal, the really dark green. And this is really light, okay? This is just more of like an undertone to like really kind of make it look more like bruising. Avoid colors with any shimmer in them, because obviously that won't look real. And don't put the green everywhere. This is an undertone to kind of like make it look real. Now we need to find a nice deep purple. So I'm using this palette. I'm going to go in with the Life, and I'm going to go light with that just because it is so pigmented. So put it right in the middle here. See how that's starting to look more like a bruise? Just because it's like that's the part where I get hit right here, okay? And that's why it's darkest there. Now right here, we're gonna put this like right here. And you see how the purple kind of like brings out those other undertones and stuff? So that's really good. Looking good. And then right here, right on the cheekbone, because it's like a high point, so that's where it would, like, if I did fall and or something. Now, the reason why that I'm doing this, and then we're gonna use the I Love You black in here, just to kind of like really highlight things. The reason why I am doing a tutorial on this is because I do use this for cosplay on certain videos. I can link it down in the comments, the one I use this for. So we're going with the black now, and I find it's really interesting. And when I realized like how good I could make myself look bruised, I was like, I gotta show people how to do this. This is kind of cool. Remember, put the darker spots right in the middle. That way it looks more like, whoop. And then just like that. So yeah, so the top one, I'll definitely add a little bit more purple just because I blotted out that purple a little bit too much. And if you find that you put a little bit too much, you can just kind of move it around, and then that's perfect. If you want to bring this to like the next level, you're going to do this, okay? This NARS Dragon Girl lipstick, okay? This is so red. And this is what... Do you see that? And then follow it down so it looks like got something there. We'll do a little something right here. I don't know why this brings me a little bit of joy, but it's kind of fun. It's interesting to do. And then what I like to use to kind of make this look like a little bit more realistic, the little cut, is I'm using the Fenty lip gloss in the shade Hot Cherry 01. And then what I'll do is this. So it kind of looks like it's actually like, you know, the eyebrow didn't turn out as good as I'd like it to. That's okay, I've never done the eyebrow. That was the first time trying that. But isn't that interesting? Like, look at how real that kind of looks like on camera. So if you're looking to do cosplay like this, this is exactly how you want to do it. Layer it with your lighter colors first and go from there. Thank you so much for watching, and don't use this to be toxic. Have a great day. Bye.